Hey guys, my name's Quentin. Today I'm showing you my Craftsman half horsepower chain drive garage door opener. Model 139.53930DM. Manufactured of March 8th, 2011. I got a genie LED light bulb inside of my garage door opener. Here, let me get my phone to focus on the genie logo. Come on, cell phone, focus. Almost. There we go. I actually do have, 2 genie light bulbs, but I'm using, one for right now, but this one does work because I got those, 2 light bulbs, delivered in the mail today. By the way, I thought I might want to buy those from eBay, and I sure did. I got those 2 light bulbs from eBay, and one of them that I put on my garage door opener, and I will show you the opening and the closing with my garage door opener. Here, let me close the light cover. There. I do have a couple remotes. One of them is the Chamberlain remote that I also got from eBay. But the old LiftMaster remote, my parents got that LiftMaster remote a very, very long time ago when I was a kid. But I don't know what website or store is it. But I know the manufacture date. It was manufactured of April 2008. And the Chamberlain remote, here, I'll talk about that in a bit. I can't quite remember what the model number on our old LiftMaster is because the label is wearing off a lot, but except the manufacture date. I know it was manufactured of April 2008. And I know the model number on the Chamberlain remote, but not our old LiftMaster remote. It's a 950 CD model, manufactured of February 2010. And I'm going to show you a couple things about the premium wall control. The lock button works, and the opener lights blink twice to let you know that you locked your garage door opener while someone is trying to operate it. In case if you're not comfy letting others open your garage door while you're gone at a road trip or going somewhere far away from your home. I like this wall button a lot, and also I really like it when I I know that most of them. I know that. I know the. I know the. This model usually comes with standard wall buttons. It kind of looks similar like this one, but without the light and the lock button. But I prefer this wall button better than the standards because I love to switch the light off. It does work. You can actually switch the light on or off if you have the premium wall control. I do like this wall button better than the standard wall button because if I use the standard wall button, I only operate the garage door opener without switching the light on or without locking the garage door either. But I do like this button better than the standard one. This wall button does work. What was I figuring out? Oh, I'm totally losing my mind. Well, anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and use the Chamberlain remote to operate the garage door, and here we go. Usually I really like this model number. I really like it when the Craftsman garage door opener has a keypad with it, because in case if I need to open the garage door from the outside without using the remote. Our safety sensors are working, but sometimes you have to hold the button down, actually, only if the safety sensors are not working. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and do the closing, and here we go. Actually, the safety sensor check. The light blinks 10 times. Here, let me just show you that again. Mira, I'm taking a video. Sorry, that was my cat Mira. I didn't want her going in my room while I was video recording. Sorry, that was actually my cat Mira. Here, I'll let her in my room. Okay. I used my, I think I'm going to use my Chamberlain remote to do the closing. Here we go. Oops. let me try this again. There we go. Use the Chamberlain remote already. I'm going to use my old LiftMaster remote. My dad got this remote when I was, actually, my parents got that remote when I was a little kid, and, there's my cat, Mira. She meows a lot for my attention. Watch out, Mira. I need to, operate my garage door opener. She likes my attention. Watch out, Mira. Okay. Used our old LiftMaster remote that my parents gave me, that my parents got for their own opener a long time ago, but not anymore. Okay, now let's do the closing. Watch out, Mira. You can actually see the gear spinning. I got two genie light bulbs. This one does work, but I'm only using just this this light bulb right there. Okay, so I am going to operate the garage door opener one more time using the wall button, and here we go. Now let's do the closing one more time, and then that will be it. Okay, I think that's enough for now. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.